what I can do is use a drone. Use a drone in agriculture and survey it daily. Just go up and up the sky and watch carefully about what's down happening, and with different altitudes, with different kind of zooming and hyperspectral cameras. You just raster scan it, and what it's called, NVDI or what, I don't know, NDDVI or what it's called. It's about your scanning and analyzing the data. So scientific theories always relied on comparison and differentiation between what was yesterday and what is today and what will happen tomorrow. It's all about that. And from this comparison, from this lot of data, from this data set of daily footages, daily 3D models of it, and we can have a different AI models which fit this kind of data set and understand their spatial and temporal relations, all from the AML model or AI model. We don't require anything extra. Just we need is what we need is what is the humidity, what is the temperature of daily basis, and what is the soil water level, and we need to measure the water level especially. And there are ground sensors, and there is up there is sky that is capturing all these footages of the plants, and by through thorough comparisons between thorough inputs of these sensors and these cameras and all the datas that is gathered, now the model can learn it and compare it what it needs to improve, and from all these kind of things it will find a way. Like even in a data, even in a field, you can see there are local interactions and there are local effects. Some part of the land may have a good result or good yield, but some part may lack that yield. So we have to understand it, and we have to strengthen those part which are weak throughout understanding the local interactions and local productions, local exploring locally and changing globally, which was locally more efficient and more yielding, making that increase in expanding order and fully expanding altogether globally, so that there will be no any differentiation of highs and low, and only high will be there and only high production will be there. So in this way we are doing it.